How to duplicate a workflow. By duplicating or cloning a workflow, you can save time if you wish to create a new workflow that's similar to one you already have. Maybe you already have a workflow that's built and you want to create one that is almost exactly the same and has a comparable setup. Rather than starting from scratch, you can clone or duplicate the original workflow and then make the few necessary changes that you want to make. This can save you time and help you work more efficiently in your business. You'll start by navigating to Workflows. Click the clone or copy icon on the right side of the workflow that you wish to clone or duplicate. You'll want to name the new workflow. In the pop-up window, insert the name and then click Create to clone the workflow. Now you'll be redirected into the Workflow Builder, and you can click into the newly cloned workflow to start building and editing the cloned version. Save your changes and publish the workflow, and then it's all set to run. It's as easy as that to duplicate or clone a workflow. Congratulations, you're all set.